rise or fall, and saw me no escape. I was built for the storm, let it rain. Came from nothing, now they watch me elevate. Pressure made a diamond, I don't break, now I create. They never saw me coming, now they looking up. Hustle in my veins, I ain't never need no love. Had to grind in the mud, had to bleed for the spot. Then now my name in their mouth like a 24-karat watch. Came from the trenches, but who gets a break? Bullets and sirens was blurring my days. Mama was grinding, foot on the plate. Had to make moves, I was done with the weights outside. In the booth, pushing for like a king. Every that's in it, blind like Schmin. Train him for the tongue side, I'm instead. Standing the camp with bricks. That was a recap, this doesn't never manifest. They said it rise or fall, and saw me no escape. I was built for the storm, let it rage. Came from nothing, now they watch me elevate. Pressure made a diamond, I don't break, now I create. I remember cold nights, snow, heat in the crib. Had to learn to hustle, had to fight just to live. Made a pact for myself, I would never be broke. Now my money do the talking, every comment's a crow. They things that doubt me, used to laugh in my face. Now they copied the moves, trying to take up my space. See, I came from the rooms, now I'm running to the stakes. Told my demons keep it talking, I decide, hey, gotta move like a boss, fit like a break. Put my pain in the bombs, let you feel what I say. I ain't worried about the past, all that matter was fate. Had the game on my back, and I carried away. I was down, I was out, now they chant my name. Put my soul in the fire, now on my flames. Ain't no love in the game, but I love my pain. Turn the struggle to a kingdom, now I reign. Rise or fall, and saw me no escape. I was built for the storm, let it rage. Came from nothing, now they watch me elevate. Pressure made a diamond, I don't break, now I create.